Hey Rithwik, what are you doing?
I'm preparing for sledding.
Sledding. Oh, so you're gonna make the sledding in the backyard? How come? Here?
Yes.
Oh.
See, I have already done some of it. So, we're going to make it from doorway into the ground, and we're going to make a hole. So, from the whole snow, we're going to put it on our sledding mountain. So let's get started. And well, I already started hopping.
Rithwik planning to make sledding hill from patio door to fence. So, let's watch.
If I test without weight, it looks smooth, but if I go, it might sink.
Okay, let's test.
Let me put more snow to make hill. Let me try to make a path. Yes, test was success. By sledding again and again, I'll make path into the fence. 1, 2, 3, go. Woo! Butter!
Nice.
Woohoo! Further!
Yay! Little more far, oh?
Now I'm going to do sitting.
Sitting? Here we come. Next round. So hard to make path all the way to fence. Look at him. Oh God. Yes, try again. Fail? No more?
Now let's add in a little bit more.
Mm-hmm.
I did one trick too. Like I hold this so when it could go a little fast. So I'm gonna try to do it properly sitting.
What happened with it? It failed.
Started Leave it.
Finally, you touch fence. Nice. Okay, great. So what are you gonna do with this?
I'm gonna just use it to cover the fence and then make the wall.
Mm-hmm.
If you want to make your own setting, you could make it your own. And if you really like it, make sure to like and subscribe.